Righteous. She's going to be running up the mountain. She's halfway there. She's going. I'm going to build a snowbank. Put a snowbank right here with my feet. With my feet, with my feet, with my feet, with my feet. Righteous. We're going to get close for it a bit. As you see, the gazelle runs down the hill. Jeez, you're gonna hurt someone.
No, I won't. That's why I went right there. I was gonna come at you.
Righteous. You see that gazelle? You got him? Close up. Oh, shit.
Get my face, get my face. Get behind.
Look at her face.
I really didn't mean to do that either.
God. You fucked yourself.